Okay, here's my maiden voyage, trying a little different angle here. Don't know if this will work. Never done this before. Not much of a guitar teacher, but this is a basic beginner level. Just doing a flat picking, simple riff, key of G from this interesting angle. So this is a very full G chord. And I'm not going to break it down with 3rd fret, middle finger, low E, 2nd fret, point. I'm not going to get into all that. You can see it. So here's a G. This is a nice full G. You can see the upper strings. Nice, robust, full G. So this is just a little flat pick riff for the key of G if you're a bluegrass novice just trying to get your feet wet a little bit. So you can bring it in, open. And I switched to a different type of G shape there. This is kind of a bluegrass G shape because I can switch to the C effortlessly. So I started with a nice full G, play all strings, and walk it in. Add that little ditty, go to the C, back to G, and I went to a bluegrass, what I call the bluegrass G, just based on the shape. Down to D. There's your D. And then it goes back to G, and you can whatever G you like. So the actual riff is just an ending. It's this pretty common, nice ending for a bluegrass tune in G. And it has a sound like this. Couple different ways to do it. You can do, then I'm alternating pick strokes down and up. So it'd be down and then up. Some hammer on and pull off, but you just slow it down, check it out. That's what I'm doing. Here's another way to do it. This is kind of nice. Starting with the down stroke, down pluck with the pick. Open. That's 2 hammer-ons. So it's open, hammer on, hammer on. Open, hammer on, pull off. And then open. That there is the G string that I'm playing open. So once again, G7 to C, back to G, D, and then the ending, or just play that, I don't know, 10,000 is a good number. You do that 10,000 times, the 10,000 and first time, you'll be able to really spin it out there. That's so that a little trickier, but you get it. Just keep after it. People give up. Like, they're like, I've had it, I've tried this 100 times, can't do it. If they'd have gone 101 and then went to bed, wake up the next morning, they'd be able to do it. It's unbelievable what you learn while you're sleeping. I can't make it up. That's really what I'm telling you, the truth right there. Alright, that there's 5 minutes and 40 seconds, and I'll just give you the overview at the end here. That way, I like to get these things started instead of dragging it out. So at the end, I'll give you some more specifics. So my pinky's here on the 3rd fret, and you can see it's from my G chord. As I build it, this nice robust G, I'm in the same spot here with middle pinky on the low and high E. Low and high. Then you just fill it out. Brighten that up. G7 before we go to the C. Back to G. D. Back to G. And then that's where you go. And this here's KennyT. This is nothing high tech. I kind of scabbed together a way to hold my phone here and get this angle. And now the kitchen timer's going off telling me that the lesson's over. No, actually it's telling me that it's time to check on Din Din. All right, y'all, be well.